Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am going to just carry forward the rest of the topic in class 7 physics, and the name of the chapter is sound. Previously I already teach you about some important topics related to this chapter, and today again I am going to teach you some interesting topics. So first topic which I am going to discuss today, that is the types of sound. Now when I have written over here what is types of sound, that means things are coming in your mind. Types of sound, that means you are just listening about you are just going to think about the sound of music, the sound of vehicles, and some sound which are very pleasant to your ear and some sound which you don't want to listen again and again. But there we are going to discuss the different type of sound in which that is we are not going to detect, and some sound we are going to detect. So related to this, the first type of sound is infrasonic sound. This type of sound is mostly used by the animals to communicate with each other. That means the elephant, the number of wild animals are communicate with each other with the infrasonic sound, and we cannot detect the range of this sound. So what is the infrasonic sound? If I am going to discuss you that what is the infrasonic sound, to any sound with the frequency less than 20 hertz. Any sound with frequency less than 20 hertz, 20, that means जो less than 20 hertz की frequency है, that cannot be detected by the human ears, cannot be detect by human ears, and these are known as the infrasonic sound. That means जो भी साउंड्स हैं जिनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 20 हर्ट्ज से कम होती हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? इंफ्रासोनिक साउंड कहते हैं. एंड दीज साउंड्स are useful to communicate between the animals, the birds and elephants. The vibration produced by the earthquake, that is also the types of infrasonic sound. Okay, now the second type of sound is audible range of sound. What is the second types? Audible range of sound. That means if we are going to discuss about the audible range of sound, that means वो 20 frequency से less तो नहीं होगी, क्योंकि 20 frequency से less की sound हमारे ear detect ही नहीं कर सकते हैं. So the sound between frequency between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, that means the sound with the frequencies frequency between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, इन दोनों के बीच की साउंड दे आर नोन एज द ऑडिबल रेंज ऑफ साउंड. ये साउंड क्या कहती हैं? ऑडिबल रेंज होती है. दैट मीन्स दिस इज द अपर लिमिट and this is the lower limit. Now one common you have already just observing at your home, the grandparents, they are always hearing the loud sound. Why? Because as the age is going to increase, जैसे जैसे उम्र बढ़ती है वैसे वैसे upper limit is going to be decrease. upper limit क्या हो जाती है? कम होती जाती है. That's why as the person is going to become older, their upper limit is going to decrease and they are going to listen the loud sound. No, the third type of sound is ultrasonic sound. Now first one is less than 20 hertz, second one is between 20 to 20,000 hertz, and this sorry, ultrasonic sound, it is the above than the audible range of sound, that means above than 20 hertz. Any sound above audible range that is 20,000 hertz is called ultrasonic sound. And this sound, ultrasonic sound, is this sound is easily detected by the cat, dog, bat. One more example, dolphins. That means these all are going to use this type of sound. And one more interesting fact, the bat is going to emit the ultrasonic type of sound to navigate during the night. That means ये ultrasonic sound को emit करता है so that it will be navigate, वो रास्ता ढूंढ करके क्या करता है, night में जाता है. Now, so this is all about the types of sound. Let us discuss the another topic. Now, in previous you were studied about the chapter light. At that time I taught you about the speed of light, that the speed of light is different in the different medium. It is maximum in the vacuum, then in glass and water. That means the light can travel in vacuum. So as here, but the sound needs medium to propagate. It does not travel in the vacuum. Sound need medium to propagate. And you can easily hear this each time you are just sitting at the bench. So just keep your hand attached to the desk and scratch on the desks and benches. You will just listen the sound of scratching. If you are going to beat this like this and keep your ear like this, so you are again going to hear the sound. Take one bowl and fill that bowl with the water, and take 2 spoons and just stuck the spoon inside the water and take your ear near that. So again you will hear the sound. That means sound needs medium to propagate. The sound cannot propagate in the vacuum. Okay. So now let's discuss one important topic, that is the characteristic of the sound. Whenever the sound terms came, so the persons are using the word कि इसकी pitch बहुत अच्छी है, your sound is very loud, the sound quality of that person is very very good. So these all are the qualities of sound. What are that qualities? Pitch, then loudness, and last one is quality, or that is also known as timbre. Okay, so these 3 qualities of sound. So suppose first I am going to discuss about the pitch. So pitch is related with the if any object is having the high vibration. So any object who is having the high vibration, so high vibration, it is going to produce the high frequency, and because of that high frequency the pitch of sound will also be high. That means the high frequency produces the high pitch and the low frequency produces the low pitch. High frequency, high pitch, and low frequency, low pitch. Now the second characteristic, that is the loudness. So loudness, it again depend on the intensity of the vibrating object. That means sometimes the voice are very loud. Yeah, sometimes what happens, the music whatever you are listening, that is pleasant to you, but someone others, they don't want to like to listen that much music. They are just thinking this is very loud, and you are looking that the music is very pleasant. So it is not necessary if any sound is pleasant to you, so that is also pleasant for someone else. Maybe that is the loud sound for the others, but that is for the normal sound for you. So loudness, what is loudness? Depend on the intensity of the vibrating source, and it is just the unit is the decibel. Okay, now the third one is the quality or timbre. So what is this? Is the someone is just calling your name, and without just watching them you are recognize that that so and so person is calling you. Why this happened? Because the quality, the timbre of the sound. That means it quality helps to distinguish the sound. You are not going to see that person. Sometimes you are just receiving the call and you are knowing that so and so person is talking with you. So these things are the timbre, the quality of the sound. So today I have teach you about the two main topics. First is the types of sound, the infrasonic, ultrasonic and the audible range of sound. Second one is the sound needs propagate, medium to propagate, and third characteristics of sound. Okay, so I hope you all understand the thing whatever I had taught you, and in next video I will just going to teach you the rest of the topic of this chapter. Till then, bye bye, thank you.